Module 10. How to run a one-way ANOVA in SAS EG. Data will often be presented as follows. Here we have 3 categories, 3 different majors, and we would like to compare the performance of students in those majors. In order to use SAS EG to interpret and analyze the data will need to be stacked. My dependent variable grade will be in one column, and the different majors will be characterized by 1, 2, and 3. Data is then imported in SAS, and the analysis ANOVA one way will be performed. Grade correspond to my dependent variable. Major will correspond to my independent variable. The test of homogeneity of variance, where that is the test for equal variance, is offered here, and I could select, for example, the Bartlett test. The comparison of the means could be done using Bonferroni, Tukey, or any of the other tests presented here. For each category or each group, I might like to get the mean, the standard deviation, maybe the number of non-missing observation and missing observation. I can request 2 types of plot, the box and whisker plot, which will give me an idea about the spread of each of the categories, and I could also ask for a plot of the means. When I run now this analysis, we find the following. The first part of the printout gives me information about the number of categories that I have. The analysis, the ANOVA table that we have here, by its p-value of 0.0022, tells me that there is a significant difference between the averages in those 3 groups. The box plot for each category is presented in here. The Bartlett test for equal variance is given here with a p-value of 0.8605, which means that the variants are not significantly different. It is based on the distribution of a chi-square with 2 degrees of freedom. You note that the box plot graph is repeated several times. For each level of the major, I have the means and standard deviation given here. In order to compare the actual means differences, so we need either the T, the Bonferroni, or other tests as were suggested. The Bonferroni test presented here give me analysis of the differences between are significant. Triple star indicates that the mean of the first group and the second group are significantly different, and that can be confirmed by the fact that 0 is not included in the confidence interval. Between group 2 and group 3, I get an interval from negative to positive where 0 is included, no stars are indicated, so that means the mean of group 2 is not significantly different from the mean of group 3. Similar results are obtained when I use the Tukey comparison test. This plot is the mean plot of grades per major. It gives me an indication of where the grades average are located. This is an overview of the one-way analysis of variance.